We want your car, we'll buy it. Even if you don't want to buy one from us. And I'm just like, well, then what am I going to drive? It's awesome that you want my car. But, yeah. He's like, well, we'll find something. I'm like, that's the problem. Nobody can find it. Get him. Tackle. There you go. Good job.
Wrap him up.
Gotta hang on. There you go.
Jordan, right here.
Get him, Jake, get him.
Oh my goodness.
There you go.
I recognize it from flag a little bit, Brandon.
Yeah! Look at that! Hey, I might get to work. Kick off!
I think I saw Aaron walking this morning. Aaron Dennis. Get him, dude. Good job, friend, like over by the lake.
False start.
I think he did traveling. I say traveling. And so I had to like make sure I didn't hit.
Second and 5 or second and 15, white team.
There's this old guy with an arm sling, and I'm like, maybe you shouldn't do
That'll set up second and about 12.
He's on. You got this, Rylan.
Set up right at 3rd and 10.
Yeah, I have my nephew. He didn't come. Nope. Oh, wow.
Go 4th and 13.
Hey, punt!
Good job! Good run, man! Good run!
1st and 10. Ooh. Personal foul. First and goal from the 6. Little keeper. Second and goal from the 4.
Go, George, go. I think that's George, right?
Touchdown blue. 14-0. Here comes the 2-point attempt. Little keeper by Remy. 2-point conversion's good. 16-0 blue team. 21 seconds left in the first quarter.
Block, Jordan.
And first down and 10 at about the 38-yard line. First down to about the 42. First down and 10. Picked up about 5, maybe 4, second and 6. We'll go second down.
Right there, Kai.
Attaboy, Duke. Loss of about 2, bring up about 3rd and 7, we'll call it. Go third down. First down. Go first and 10 at the 30. Passing complete, second and 10. We go second and 10. Incomplete.
Who said it?
Brings up 3rd and 10. About the 30.
Hi! You gotta come out this way.
Mommy, where's my outfit? I'm on the floor.
Oh, come on. Brings up 1st and 10 from about the 11.
Plug the middle.
Touchdown, White. Two-point attempt. Reed got home. 2-point attempt is no good. Minute 43 left in the second quarter. It is 16-6. Blue over White. First and 10 at about the 18 after Duke's return. Loss of about 6. Brings up 2nd and 16. Yeah, 2nd and 16, only 4 seconds left in the half. So probably last play here.
Acá está, Isaac, acá está. Agárralo.
That ends the half, 16-6, blue over white. Here we go. Start of the second half, 16-6, blue receiving and leading 16-6. Go Kenna. We'll have first and 10 about the 40. First and 10. Oh my goodness, boys. Picked up about 5 questionable yards there.
Let's go down.
This tail to daylight. Touchdown, Kale Lincoln. Makes it 22-6, pending the 2-point conversion. 2-point attempt. There it is. Dig for the 2. Makes it 24-6. 6:38 left in the third quarter.
Let's go one.
First and 10 white. Right at about the 34-yard line. All right, here we go. First and 10 at the 35. The block in the back. Second and 10. Got third down 10. There you go. Way to force him back inside, boys. 15-yard penalty for the late shove. So first down and 10 at about the 41-yard line. Broken play, loss of about 5, and they get second and 15. There goes second and 15. Oh! Had an offensive holding penalty on that last play, so they marked off to 10 yards. It's now second and about 25. Alright. About a 7-8 yard gain, so it makes it third and 18. Third and 18. Nice little pass. Brings up about a 3-yard gain, brings up fourth down and about 15. Punting here. Defensive encroachment, 5-yard penalty. It'll set up fourth and about 11, and we'll be punting again. Go on the punt again. That's a live ball. Got first and 10 right about the 50. Duke to the outside. A little bit of daylight. Do a little run for about 18 yards. Bring up 1st and 10 at about the 32. That's the end of the 3rd quarter. 24-6 Blue. 1st and 10. Start of the 4th quarter. Wasn't set. False start. Back him up 5. It'll be 1st and 15 from about the 37-yard line. There you go, Brady. Nice catch, Brady. Be a first down. Touchdown Blue team. Makes it 30-6, pending the 2-point try. They're gonna try for the kick. Up and good. Makes it 31-6 Blue team with 7:01 left in the 4th quarter. Kickoff after the touchdown. Give it a boot and try to go the other way. There you go, nice little game tackle. I'll make it 1st and 10 at about the 30-yard line. 1st and 10 at about the 30. Call them down on the play. That'll make it 2nd and 10. 2nd and 11. Second down at 10. Lost that play. Lost another yard. That's at 7 and 11. 2nd and 11. 3rd and 11. It looks like it's actually 3rd and 12 here. A little busted. There you go. Nice play by Reed there to pull him down for the loss. We'll make it 4th and 15.
You passed him!
Must have been touched by the white team, so it's 1st and 10 Blue team. Reed to the outside. Somersault, big game. Yeah, we got 1st and 10. Actually 1st and goal right at the 10. Picked! 1st and 10 for the white, about the 12-yard line, or the 17-yard line. There we go. Duke chops him down. We got about 2nd and 7 from the 20. Face mask on the offense. I'll back him up a little bit here. Here we go, 2nd and 14. Good little play and run. Alright, here we go. Got 3rd and about 4. About 1:39 left in the 4th. On the left side, Reed comes up, puts him down.
Hey, hurry up, get on the ball.
That'll bring up about 4th and about 5. 4th and 5.
Is it pretty good?
We go 4th and 5.
And he was like, I said, what if it rains with my car? I think I have
Reed with the stop. That'll be a turnover on downs.
Timeout.
1st and 10. Blue. Yeah, 1st and 10 at about the 18. 55 seconds left. Blue team trying to run a little hurry up offense here. Over to Hunter. Gets out of bounds at about the 11. Want to play again, 30 seconds left. Hey, Hunter. Nice strong catch, boys. All right. We'll make it 37-6. And they're going to go for the kick for the extra point. Comes the extra point. Busted play, he goes in for 2. That'll make it 39-6. Looks like the clock's at 0, so that's ball game.